Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to show you how to create a simple comic animation which is based from your comic project PowerPoint. Okay, first of all you have to make sure that you download file from your goals and make sure you have these files. Okay, alright, you have audio files, you have the picture background, you have the comic strip animation. Okay, and also you have the sound. Okay, alright, first of all you have to go to page 171 before we are going to refer to the book. Okay, page 171 in your ICT module book. Okay, and I want you to open the file that you already download, which is the comic strip project animation. Okay, this one. Alright, okay, so this file is actually we are going to refer to this file. Okay, for your activity day, you have to create a simple comic animation, which is you have to crop the pictures, you have to insert the slides. Okay, you have to insert sound, picture, background image. Okay, and then sound, your dialogue, and also you have to insert background music with the transition slides and also the arrangement of your slides. Okay, alright, first of all make sure that you refer to your book page 171. Okay, and also please open your file that you download already, which is comic strip project. Okay, this is the file that we are going to do for today. Alright, okay, so if you look at the slides here, okay, we're going to refer to the slides. Okay, this is a very simple comic animation. It's a part of your comic project. Okay, but your full project PowerPoint, you have to insert all the content from your dialogues, from your reports, which is a dialogue, organization charts, okay, contents, moral value. Okay, for this one only comic animation.
The commander-in-chief of the Muslim army.
The same Malik who makes his
Okay,
enemies
so
tremble
these
in
are
fear.
the example that we are going to do today. Okay, first of all you have to open, you have to create a new file, which is new. Okay, and choose blank presentation. Alright, okay, and after that, alright, first of all this is the first slide, and normally for the first slide you have to insert the cover slide or the introduction, the main title of your comic. Okay, and first of all you have to go to design. Okay, and choose one of the example. Okay, let's say you choose this one. Okay, then type. Okay, you refer to page 171. Okay, if you insert the design, you can see that the design idea on your right. Okay, but this one is actually which is the ideas. You can choose this one, or you just stick for your current design here. Okay, let's say if you want to use the current design, you just click at the X, close, right? Okay, for the first slide, okay, you type comic strip project animation. You can refer to page 172. Comic strip project animation. Okay, alright, now this one is actually the subtitle, which is the Forgiving Commander. Right, okay, and I think most of you know how to create a very simple comic, how to use the PowerPoint slides. Okay, and you can also insert text. Okay, which is you use the insert shape. Alright, and you can insert text here. Okay, which is you can insert the members, your group members. Okay, let's say your members group with the full name, and metric ID. Okay, so this one example. Alright, and don't forget about your group. Okay, group, let's say TSP1. Okay, and okay, this is example of the first slide. Okay, and the most important thing when we create a comic strip project is the animation. Okay, is the animation. Alright, so how to create animation? First thing you have to know how to create, how to use the animation in the PowerPoint slide, which is follow the basic step. Okay, first thing you have to do is you have to choose the object that you want to create animation. Okay, let's say you want to create animation for comic strip project animation for this text or the title. Okay, just click at the object and go to animations. Okay, on the menu. Okay, here the type of the comics of the animations. Okay, let's say you choose float in or okay, which one? Okay, let's say float in. Okay, you choose float in. Okay, once you choose float in, okay, the first thing after you have done create the comic, the animation for the title, for example, or the object. Okay, this is the title. You already insert the animation. Don't forget to click at the animation pane here. Okay, what is the function of animation pane? Okay, animation pane is actually every time you insert object or you insert animation, sounds, okay, sound effect, alright, it will appear here. Okay, so this is the first animation which is will appear on in the animation pane. Okay, and next time, okay, next if you insert another one animation, the second animation also will appear the second animation here, down here. Okay, alright, and okay, this is your first animation, and after you choose animation, the most important thing is you have to create the what we call the start. Okay, and you can refer to page, okay, for animation. Okay, you can turn to page 162. 162. Okay, 162 is actually where you have to set, okay, where you have to set the start time. It's very important. Okay, this is the first animation. Okay, after you click the animation, you choose animation. Okay, go to this scroll, okay, button, and choose start on click with previous or start after previous. These three setting is different. Okay, what is the different? If you refer to page 162, okay, start on click is actually which will start, the animation will start when you click the animation, the object. Okay, when you click, then the animation will be appear. But for the start with previous, it's actually it will happen, the animation will happen at the same time with the previous animation, and after previous is actually it will happen if you choose the after previous, it will happen after the animation, previous animation. Okay, for example, this one is the first animation. If you choose after previous, still it will appear because there is no previous animation before, because this is the first animation. But if this is the second animation, okay, the animation will appear after the first animation. Okay, so that is different. You can refer to page 162. Okay, which is what is the on click with previous and after previous. Okay, for this one I choose after previous. Okay, don't forget after you choose animation, set the time here. Okay, alright, now the second one is insert this next slide, home, go to new slide. Okay, This one, you type comic. Okay, comic strip. Okay, then you have to insert the picture. Okay, you have to insert the picture. Alright. Okay. Choose the picture that you already download from Girls. Okay, this is the picture of comic strip. The original comic strip. Okay, you just insert. Alright, so this is your first. Okay, this is your comic strip, the original comic strip. Okay, next is new slide. Okay, this one is the title. Okay, again, you have to insert the comic strip because you have to crop. You have to insert the picture first, then you have to crop the title. Okay, insert, and then, okay, you have to crop the title, which is first you have to click at the picture, then under picture format, crop. Okay, this one. Alright, and you have to enlarge the title like this. And also after you insert picture, you also can do for the picture style. Okay, you choose any picture style on which is you can find in menu picture format. Okay, for example this one. Alright, okay. Now we have done for the first, second, third slide. Okay, I remind you again, this is not complete project PowerPoint. This is only a part of your PowerPoint animation. The complete project PowerPoint is, you can refer to the example which is in goals. Okay, which is the complete project animation. You have to insert the content from the report, which is organization charts, which is also the dialogues, the moral value, and so on. That is a complete with the animation that you already crop. Okay, the comic strip that you already crop with the sound effect and so on. And this one is only to show you how to create comic animation. Okay, comic animation from comic strip, right? Okay, and okay, next slide, insert. Okay, this part is actually you have to insert the background picture. You refer to the this one. Okay, you refer to this one, which is we have to insert the background with the two pictures that you already crop. And this one is actually the narrator. Okay, the narrator here, which is the story from the dialogue. Okay, if the comic strip have the narrator tu, okay, pencerita, you can insert it. Insert the story, story and the voice. Okay, kalau tak ada tak apa. Okay, and also you have to make sure that you record the voice for the narrator ni lah. Kalau tak ada tak apa. And then also for this tutorial saya tak ada audio dia. Okay, tapi kalau you punya comic strip yang ada narrator, you kena record juga voice. Okay, these are the two picture with the animation. Kita akan refer yang ni nanti. Okay, kita akan ikut yang ni. Right, now go back to your slides. Okay, what you have to do is you have to insert the background picture. Go to design format background. This one you refer to page 173. Okay, okay, I'm using the picture and okay, insert. Okay, from file. Okay, background image. This part. Okay, and after you insert image in your background slide, as background slide, you have to tick hide background graphic. You can refer to page 173. This one. Okay, tick tick the hide background graphic. So the only appeal is your picture background. Okay, the previous background dia dah hilang the hide. You hide it. Okay, then pangkal je lah. Okay. Alright. So you have to delete this box. Just click and delete using your keyboard. Okay. So make it as like this. Okay, plain. Tak ada apa-apa atas ni. Okay. Alright. First, what you have to do is you have to insert the rectangle. Okay. Kita nak buat rectangle kat mana-mana boleh. Kita nak buat cerita tu kat mana-mana. I mean dialog tu kita boleh create sendiri. I mean you nak letak kat bawah ke kat atas kiri kanan, that's up to you. Okay. Untuk hari ni saya buat example, insert, shape, rectangle, draw. Okay. Why I have to draw the rectangle because I want to insert the narrator, the text, dialog kat sini. Pencerita kalau comic strip awak tak ada dialog, tak ada pencerita, tak apa. Okay. Alright. So like this. Okay. Actually this one you can also you boleh masuk kat sini, letak sini mana-mana boleh. Okay. It's up to you. Use your own creativity. It doesn't mean that what I show you have to follow. Okay. The most important thing is you understand and use your own creativity. Okay. Now, okay, right click, edit text, type Hua Malik Ashtar on his way to a mosque. A young man threw a stone towards him. Okay, this one. Alright, and then you can also resize the text. Okay. Alright, and this is actually narrator. Narrator ni dia akan bercerita lah. Okay, it depends on the comic strip. Dan you have to record the voice. Okay, if you have the narrator lah. Okay, but for this activity, for this tutorial, I don't have the file. Okay, you just insert the animation. Okay, now insert animation. Click the object. Okay, click object tu dulu. This one. Okay, you have to click the object. Go to animations. And okay, go to the type. Let's say float in. And don't forget, okay, after you choose the type, you can see that your animation already in the animation pane here. Okay, and don't forget to set the start time on click with previous or after previous. Okay, let's say you choose after previous. This one, okay. Now, next is you have to crop the pictures. Okay, which is the first picture. Okay, one more thing is when you want to crop the pictures and insert animation, you have to do it one by one. Okay, so that is dia akan berterutan lah, dia akan ikut aturan. Okay, so kalau tak nanti dia akan berterabur. Okay, the first picture which is the man who threw the stone. Okay, first of all you have to insert the pictures. Comic strip asal. Okay. Okay, this picture you have to crop. And find here. Okay. Crop this picture. Okay, now. Okay, this picture already cropped, then you have to put it here. Okay, and you have to flip dia. Flip maksudnya tangan kanan dia akan jadi ke kiri lah. Kita flip macam mana nak flip dia. Click at the picture. Okay, and then put your cursor here. Okay, then hold, tarik sebelah. Macam kita buka buku lah. Kena press hold tu dulu. Using your keyboard. Kita gerakkan sebelah. Okay. I repeat again. How to do it. Just using your mouse. Okay. Kita nak terbalikkan je macam ni je. Okay. Sambil kita hold mouse tu. Kita tarik sebelah. Okay, macam ni. Alright. Okay, so this is your pictures. Put it here. Okay, this picture is the first animation of the picture. Okay, like I said that if you want to create animation for your comic, you have to do it one by one. Okay, you have to do one picture, after that another picture. Okay, dah crop. Next one is you have to insert animation for this one. Kita kena gerakkan dia. Okay, this animation which was motion path. Okay, motion path. You can refer to page 178. 178. Okay, first of all, you have to click at the object, the picture, go to animations. Okay, then find the type is, okay, bawah sekali ni ada motion path. Okay, motion path ni you have to draw line, garisan. Kalau you buat garisan, lukis garisan tu berputar-putar, so nanti dia akan bergerak ikut apa yang you lukis. Okay, for motion path you choose custom path. Okay, this one. Click. Okay, once you choose custom path, you have to draw like this Okay, from this point, okay, hold, okay, using mouse, hold, tekan dan dalam sama you klik. Klik, 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 klik. Okay, draw. Okay, dan you have to still lagi hold dulu dekat mouse tu. Okay, press hold dulu dan double click untuk stop. Dia akan jadi. Okay, alright. That is the how you can create animation for using the motion path. You have to draw a line, and how to stop the line, sampai mana dia berhenti, you have to double click. Okay, macam ni. Okay, don't forget to set the time. I choose after previous. Kenapa? Sebab sebelum tu dah ada animation. So kalau you ambil after previous, dia akan bergerak animation kedua dia akan bergerak selepas animation yang pertama tu. Okay, kalau you ambil previous, dia akan bergerak serentak dengan yang sebelum. Okay, let's say you choose after previous. This one alright. And for the animation, the second animation ni, motion path ni, you have to insert the sound effect. Okay, sound effect, start after, go to the second animation, dekat animation pane tu. Go to effect options. Okay, here you choose sound, enhancement sound. Click and go to the last one, which is other sound, your own file. Okay, other sound. Okay, you choose footstep. Okay, one more thing, when you want to create or you want to record your voice, okay, voice tu you have to format dia mesti format is wave okay. Kalau tak boleh guna untuk voice you tak boleh guna untuk slide, you kena format dia kan, you kena convertkan file sound tu kepada wave file, okay, WAV. Okay, footstep, choose footstep. Okay, okay, you can find, you can hear the voice, the sound. Okay, if you look here, my file footstep.wav, so your file should be WAV format WAV, baru boleh masuk dalam slide. Okay, okay. Alright, so you have done for the first comic strip animation. Okay, like I said, you kena buat satu-satu. Masuk crop dulu gambar, kemudian masukkan sound dan effect. Baru you buat second picture. Okay, gambar kedua ni, okay, which is insert again, picture. This one, insert. Okay, and crop. Right, and choose crop. Okay, you have to choose the second picture. Okay, we are going to use this picture as our second comic image animation. Okay, after you crop, okay, this one you have to resize dia, besarkan sikit. Okay, letak kat sini. Okay, this one make sure when you want to insert animation, you have to click at the object. Contoh yang ni gambar ni, you click and go to animation. Okay, yang ni kita ambil contoh swivel. Okay, animation swivel. So your you have done choose swivel. Don't forget, after you choose animation, okay, after you choose the type, don't forget to set the time, start time. Okay, this one you choose after previous. Okay, this is very important Okay, after you choose animation, the type, you pergi kat start time. Okay, ada 3 jenis. Start on click, with previous, and start after previous. Okay, for this one, I choose start after previous. Okay, alright. And I want to insert sound effect. Okay, go back to the animation pane kat sini. Okay, after you choose start after previous, you pergi kat effect options, because I want to insert the sound effect. Effect options. Okay, and go to sound. Okay, scroll down, choose your own file, sound. Alright, then choose ouch. Okay, all file here is actually from your goals, from goals file, from file in the goals. So you have to download the file. Okay,
Okay.
Okay, then okay.
Okay.
Okay. So if you look here, you already know how to crop the pictures, how to insert animation, and how to insert sound effect. Okay. And for the next video, I would like to show you how to continue lepas kita sambung balik, how to insert the dialogues, okay, with the sound dialogue, insert sound dialogue, okay, and then how to insert the background music with the transition slides, and how to manage the slide when you do the presentation. Okay, so refer to the next video. Alright, still use the same file, okay, but you have to refer to the second video. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.